He's ready for a little crunchy snack. Who wants one first? Don't take it from him. I'm going to give you one too. And she stole it. Here you go. Here you go. I don't know if I want to give you another one, Rosie. You're a little thief today. Of course I'm going to give y'all another one. This time, don't you take Jack's. See? There's enough for everybody. Here. And here you go, Sonny. That's pretty good. You happy? Then who wants to give me some pets? Yes, good boy. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. All right. Now can I pet her? You're such a glutton for pets, buddy. Let me pet Sonny. Okay, you get pets too. Now Sonny gets pets. Sonny can't have pets. Sure she can.